today. There's some big waves, you might be able to hear them.
There they are.
Getting a few bits of sunshine, a few bits of cloud.
Try and find some sea glass now.
Let's have a look, see what we can find.
What have you got? Oh, look at that. That's a nice one. Very windy today.
It is windy and it's cold wind.
It's a cold, cold wind, but still it's a beautiful place. Yes.
We've had a bit of a storm overnight and the waves were big, so it's brought a lot of new bits to the surface.
Oh, it has too. Look, I've just spotted one there now.
Those colours.
Beautiful necklaces right there. Blown away. It flew off my finger. It is very windy and now we've lost it. Oh my god.
Is that it?
No, it was a green one. Olive one it was. Look. Yay. It was olive. There it is.
He's well spotted. Found that twice now.
I found him twice. Watch the waves. Little hearts down there, that's cool. That's Aberystwyth Castle there. They had a mint up there. Produced a lot of silver hammered coins. We do a bit of metal detecting, you do find them around here. We'll be doing some videos of that as well also. There's Lois finding down there then. Let's go and find out. One there, that's going to make a nice necklace. I've just spotted one here, look. Very small though. Very small, that one. Or is it quartz?
I'm not sure. It might be quartz. No, glass. Definitely glass.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
How about that? That's a cracker.
Very nice.
Another one here.
It's got like a wavy, it's got a pattern in it. A bit like the sea.
Oh yes, you can see
The
that.
waves.
And I got this one. Just lying there waiting for us. Beautiful place. We're very fortunate to live about a 5-minute walk in that direction. We've got this on our doorstep. This is our front garden, and then we've got the woods and the hills as our back garden. How about that?
Perfect.
In your hand.
A little bit of amber, a bit of clear.
Check that out though.
Oh, well spotted.
Look at that.
Nice.
That's lovely. That
Yeah. Lovely rounded.
That's old seed. That's old grass.
Yeah.
You can tell the difference.
Catching the light.
Beautiful. Good little spot this. One thing you don't get a lot of on this beach is shells. Some of the other beaches are full of shells, but nothing else.
We've got another beach down the road though that gets full of shells.
Yes. Oh.
But no sea glass. You
No.
can either have one or the other.
It's got M on it. It's not.
It's a modern bottle,
Not been in the
is it?
sea long enough.
It's not cooked.
Not cooked. But that is.
Nice. Lots of greens today.
Yes. Nice green one. Look at that.
It's all about the green today.
It is. It is. My little pouch here, look. With my finds in. Not many for me. You've had quite a few though.
Got a few in the pocket here. Little pouch.
Well, this is a good spot normally around here. A bit of pottery. You like your pottery, don't
I do
you?
like the pottery.
So you're going to turn that into something?
Quite a collection of that now.
Yeah, it looks lovely, but it sure is cold.
It's absolutely bitterly cold. Don't be fooled by the sunshine and the shadows. It is freezing. Green is definitely the colour of the day.
Let's head that direction. Check it out, bit of cobalt blue. Super rare to find, and that's such a tiny piece.
It's tiny. It's tiny.
Lovely
But it's still
colour,
getting the dance.
Yay! So much fun. Oh, a bit of amber here. Oh, red? Is it red or amber?
Now that is rare.
That's a rare colour.
That is rare. That is red.
Nice.
Tiny, tiny piece, but it's red. How tiny it is. Sun. How pretty that is catching the light.
Another. You make little keepsake lockets with these, don't you? These tiny bits,
Tiny pieces, yeah.
which are really cool. And there's a lovely piece of pottery for you, for your pottery collection.
Has it got anything on the other side? Oh, it's blacking jar, is it?
That's it.
I'm learning.
This used to be a swimming pool in the Victorian times. Just see the outline of it. It's a shame it doesn't exist anymore. That'd be so cool. There was something here as well. See fittings of something. Let's have a look around here. Look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? Amazing. Let's follow this strand line here.
Okay, see what we can find.
Straight away, right at the start of it, there's a clear bit. Oh, being a bit smaller though.
It's quite a nice piece of quartz there. Iron stained quartz, is that to make it that colour?
I would have thought. Seen plenty of it in the mines.
Yeah.
We have found a wooden dinosaur tooth. Or if you flip it round, no, all the way. There you go, somebody's big nose. That's fun.
Or is there a crow's head?
Yeah, it's a bird's head, crow's head. That's
okay,
cool.
now it's been so many things it has to go in the pocket.
Oh.
Nice piece of amber.
Yes. That's the find of the day so far.
Sun's gone in now, so I can't show you it shining, but show it. Nice.
I just spotted a piece of pottery somewhere.
Is that it?
That's it. Looks like a tooth. And there's a piece of amber in front of it. Eh.
Oh yes.
Not much sea glass today, folks.
No, I thought there'd be more after the storm and the waves being as hard as they were, but
Very
not
far and
finding
few
a lot
between.
at all, are we?
So look, that looks like a map
I'm
of
sure
somewhere.
yeah, I'm sure it's a country, but I'm not sure which one.
And then there's a bit of amber. Tiny cobalt blue.
It really is tiny as well. How you spotted that, I really don't know.
I spotted that.
I can't even let go of it, it's so small.
It
There
is.
it's so small.
We need to find a big piece. It's really rare to find a big piece of that. Now this is nice. Oh yes. Look at that.
Oh, I like that colour.
So we've got a pair of these now today, I think.
I think there might be a pair.
Yeah, a pair of earrings.
That's a beautiful shape.
Yes, that's very nice. Well, check that out. I just picked this up. And it looks like quartz. And it's crystal clear. It's beautiful.
Absolutely crystal
There's no way
clear.
it's glass, because it wouldn't be like that if it's glass. And then look at these cool bits Lois just had.
That is beautiful though.
Yes.
Huh.
Very nice.
See where the phrase crystal clear comes from?
Yep.
There it is.
We're going to walk this line here now. See what we can find. This out.
It's a bubble.
It's a bubble.
Sea glass
It's
bubble.
beautiful. That is a beautiful find right there. Wow. There's another one over here, look. Just before the sea got it. In the bag it goes. Wow. We thought we might get lucky down on the water's edge. And we have. And you'll see in the video later on how Lois puts them together. Well, the wave came then, Lois managed to save that one. That is a cracker.
Wave over my feet.
Good finds on this gravel. Yes, nice bit of pottery. That's a nice little pattern. Well, that's the way it's worn, isn't
The
it?
way it's worn, it lays back, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice bit of stoneware. Another cracker. Look at that.
My hands are so cold they don't work very well. Nice.
So we're off bottle digging now. And I hope you like what we found here on this video. It was fun, freezing, but fun.
Yeah, it's going to warm up by
So,
doing a bit of digging.
On the way back to the car, look at Lois just spotted.
Well, I actually stepped right over it before I spotted it.
That's a cracker. You wrap that in silver, won't you?
Yeah. Yeah, put silver
Oh,
around.
that's the light. Beaut, that is. Let's have a look what we found anyway. Oh, hang on, before we do that, I just spotted this. Yay! Look at that! Yay!
Might pour that out into my hand so you can see it. A little collecting pouch.
Look at that for a little haul.
A few bits of pottery in there as well. I think my favourite thing, or there's two actually now I'm looking, I can see two that
A few
I
bits in there as well.
put those on my hand as well. My fingers don't work very well anymore because it's so cold. They are. But I think my favourite finds of the day, it's got to be that one. That
That's
has like
good.
a wavy kind of pattern on it. But then that one was shining out at me as well. Look at that. That's a proper jewel.
So you'll turn these into jewellery now?
Yeah, definitely.
And other
My business
artifacts. Other arty cool things.
now. Yeah,
Let's go bottle digging.
I think so. We need to warm up.
Yes.